Welcome to Double Volume Bullish channel. So today I want to share with you one of the company. It's Iron Mountain. So it's a REIT company at the moment. So it's under REIT. So you can see here Iron Mountain Corporation actually is set up by 1951. So it's a very earlier set up in Boston. So this is the company. So listed is in 1997. So the main business is document storage. So they will be doing others data center scanning, this trading business and media storage business in the worldwide. So it's covered worldwide. So this company listed and then the price like 3 USD. So it's about 3 USD. So recently Iron Mountain actually expanded to Asia. So it's on the year 2009. So 208. So acquire a couple of company. So you can see that in 2009, in 2010, acquire one of the transnational Singapore-based company. So after that, 2013, acquire the second largest storage company, Recall. So this is the history of the Iron Mountain. So in 2010, also expanded business in Asia Pac, including China. So you can see that the market price for Iron Mountain is increasing from 3 baht since it's listed until 30 baht. Since they expanded the business and acquired the second largest, become the world largest storage company worldwide. So in before acquisition is like 6 billion USD in total. So probably after acquire it's reached to 10 billion company. So this is Iron Mountain. So after that they also acquire a couple of the company like Santa Fe Record Management, GRM Record Management, and all this company. So they acquire and around Asia Pacific. So if you look into the chart, so for Iron Mountain, so if you want to do the trade, you want to buy Iron Mountain share, so you can see that actually the market share is continue shooting up. So we have the signal here on the blue dot. Actually it's a blue dot line. So this is the average price for each of the buying and selling. So after buying in the web, so after they set wash up, and then we count it at the average price. After that you can buy in. As long as the price shoot up above the average price, actually we should have a consider to buy in. For example here. So you know the detail of the business of the Iron Mountain. So probably you might be seeing that it's easier for you to get the business, get the margin to trade this company. For example, 2020 during the COVID time, why this share is shooting up from 29 baht until today 63 baht. So you can see that Iron Mountain is doing the business of the storage. So normally the Fortune 1000 company keep their document outsourced to Iron Mountain and others company as well. So you can see that the year 2020. So when we're talking about the COVID hitting the worldwide, so actually the price gets shocked and then the price shooting up all the time. So actually the business is easier. So there's a retention business, so we call it rental. So collecting rental from the customer. So even though the business is shut down, so you still need to pay a rental. So by qubit or by box and by bay or whatever method that they are charging the customer. So if the customer require for retrieval, so to check the document, so they will charge the services. So although the COVID time is locked down, so the business actually is doing well. So mainly the business, the income is coming from the rental. So of course the rental is a big portion of the revenue. So the revenue is good, and then the chart is good, and then the business is continue showing up. So the investor looking into the stable business. So you happen again, probably not now. So maybe 50 years later or 100 years later, there's a COVID. So you have to look into the stable business like storage company, whatever related company like logistic, they're still active during the pandemic time. So can the Iron Mountain share price going shoot to 90 baht? I don't know. So this is a new high. So of course, when we look into the chart, if the price is not creating the new high anymore, so they will come out with the M top. So it's a double top or triple top, then the price we can see that the price is shooting down. So this is the Iron Mountain. So I cover a little bit on the business module, and I cover a little bit of the history of the Iron Mountain. Of course, if you happen to see some of the news, for example, in year 2014, for example, so we look into the 2014 somewhere here. So the price is showing down. I can't remember which month. So there's an incident happened in Argentina. So the warehouse is burned by fire. So this is maybe the sentiment of the market, and then the price showing down. So this is one of them. So we're talking about 2007. So you're looking into the London, the big fire London happened here. So the price also shooting down. So you have to be careful when you invest in stock market. So be very sensitive, alert with the business model, stability of the company, and the risk that carried by this business. If the business is not doing well, so probably the currently is a price war around the world. So many competitors try to sell a cheap price, and then the business model, the margin is not good. So probably the stock market people don't look into it in the uptrend, so not the bullish market. So you can see that at the indicator side, actually is recommend a strong buy. But for me personally, you want to do it, you have to be extra careful. So if this is hitting the blue line, so if open high, then you can buy. So hopefully they create a new high. So the price is still shooting up. So this is a resistance and the support level for in the future. So if the price hitting this and rebound again, so you have to be very careful at the price at 64.5. You cannot break out 64.5, so you should take the profit and try the next support level. So this is my advice for those who want to invest in the US market. So there's many good stock in the US, so you can just try to use our in-house this indicator. So we build it, we count the average price. As long as the average price hit, and then we try to buy, and then you can see that if we trade Iron Mountain using the week chart, actually we make how many times you can count. So from the history 1, 2, 3, this one we lost, this one we win, this one we win, this one we win, and this one we lost, and this one we win. So probably you only lost 2 times out of how many? Out of 9. So 2 loss out of 9. So it's very high successful rate. So you can see this is a week chart. So we change it to the day chart. So when I change the day chart, is the same. So it's the same method apply in using this this signal. So this is the best line. We're talking about the average price. So as long as the price hitting the average price and rebound, actually you can try to hit. So we're talking about we put it a bit more. So your last 10 strike, we're talking about last 10 strike. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're talking about 10 strike. So this is the one time. So we actually maybe not making money, we lost. So here we make a little bit. So here we make a little bit. So here we make money. So here we make money. Here is not breakout. We don't buy here. So we don't buy. So this one we buy. So this one we buy, and this one we buy. This one we buy, and this one also we buy. So you can see that the success rate is very high. So out of how many times? 3, 9, 11 times. So we actually fail one time of 11. So the success rate is very high if you're using this type of trading method. So guys and the investor, so if you're interested to know how we trade, so interested how we actually find a good stock, so you can contact me and leave your contact and then reach us, and then we will come back to you. So hopefully you see this video and you can share with your trading friend, and we can help more individual trader to success in the market. Thank you.